All right, hey everybody, Bowlingful here. What I have hot off the press is the new Radical Guru Oracle, courtesy of Broski. Thank you, Broski. This one came out with the new technology, so I think it might be a slightly tweaked core and also a new cover stock. So it's got the HK22C, which means it smells like citrus. I drilled this one up pretty strong, so I get a 60 by 3.5 by 30. And let's go see what this bad boy can do out on the lanes. All right, we're here in the Napa lanes. We got the Guru Oracle. There we go. Good start to the game there. All right, we are dealing with post-league lane conditions here. Yeah, jeez. There we go. Oh. So you can definitely see your revs when you roll this ball down the lane. It's a really cool looking ball. So this is definitely one of the more expensive Radical balls. Comes in at 195. We're standing on 25. No. Ah, crossed over. A little bit too far to the right. Ah, that pin slid right through the bucket there. There we go. Ow, damn 10 pin. All right, so we got a 223, clean game. Not my best, but not the worst. So let me know if you have the Guru Oracle. I'm gonna put a couple more games on this, maybe touch the surface a little bit and see what we got here. This is a very beautiful looking ball, if I do say so myself. Very cool looking pour. So very cool. Like I said, very strong layout. We'll see what we can do with this. So we just got done rolling their new Radical Guru Oracle, and I kind of played around with surface while I was there at the alley. I put a 1500 grit surface on it, see what it would do. Shaped a little bit sooner. This comes with factory 2000 grit. So it's definitely a cool looking ball going down lane. I'm not going to deny it. I mean, this is probably one of the more beautiful balls that I have. Let me know if you have this ball, what your layout is, if you played around with surface at all, and when you use this in league. Do you use it for game 1, do you use it game 2, or game 3? I'm kind of curious. I think I'll probably use this maybe game 2, starting game 2. I don't think it's strong enough for a game 1, just for my bowling style. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing ball giveaways. So stay tuned, everybody, and thanks for watching.